Welcome to our video. I hope this video will be useful for you. In this video, we have compiled the best digital photo frames for you. Digital photo frames are dedicated screens that show slideshows of pictures you either load directly onto the frame or access from the internet. They were popular for a while but started to fall out of fashion as social media became a more integral outlet for sharing photos. However, some nice, artsy digital frames remain on the market and still work well. Let's quickly move on to our list without too much ado. Number 7. Skylight Frame 10-inch Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame. The Skylight is a simple digital frame that promises easy setup in just 60 seconds. Once it's up and running, you can load it with photos by emailing them directly to the frame. And if you have trouble with it or aren't satisfied, the company provides a full refund. Number 6. SimplySmart PhotoShare Friends and Family Smart Frame. The PhotoShare is another frame that makes it easy to share images with friends and family by uploading photos from anywhere via an app on your phone. You can send up to 50 photos at a time from your mobile device, through email, or from a linked Facebook account. Number 5. Pix-Star 10-inch Cloud Digital Picture Frame. In addition to displaying your favorite photos, the Pix-Star frame is pre-programmed with hundreds of web radio stations, as well as several games. You can connect a USB stick or SD card with additional music files to play through its built-in speaker, or you can connect a portable speaker to the frame to really pump up the volume. Number 4. Nixplay 10.1-inch Smart Photo Frame. Nixplay's 9.7-inch Smart Photo Frame features one of the sharpest displays on this list with a resolution of 2048 by 1536 pixels. This Wi-Fi connected frame works with Dropbox, Facebook, Google Photos, Instagram, and several other services. It even responds to Alexa voice commands if you have a compatible smart speaker the frame doesn't have a microphone. Its black or metal finishes and stand make it a stylish addition to any desk or shelf. Number 3. Feelcare Smart Wi-Fi Digital Picture Frame. The Feelcare frame works with an app that makes it easy for you to take and send photos to it from anywhere. It's an especially good option for sharing recent images with family members. Number 2. Dragon Touch 10-inch Digital Picture Frame. The Feelcare frame works with an app that makes it easy for you to take and send photos to it from anywhere. It's an especially good option for sharing recent images with family members. Number 1. Amazon Echo Show 8. The Amazon Echo Show 8 is a larger, more powerful version of the Echo Show 5 that's smaller and less expensive than the Echo Show 10. Despite the smaller screen, you get the same 1280 by 800 pixel resolution, which means pictures look sharper. It also has a set of solid stereo speakers and all of the standard Echo functions, including video chat. A digital frame can fix that. Prop one up on your desk or mantle, plug it in, install an app, and you can have a stream of photos or videos from your camera roll playing throughout the day. I would be happy if I could help you a little with this product list. Please inform us the same by specifying other models that are important to you in the comments. If you like the video, you can support me by subscribing. And if you don't like it, if you specify the reason for this in the comments, you will make a great contribution to me and my development. Thanks for watching the video and taking the time. Have a nice day.